Here are my audience. Good evening, everyone. I'm Joan. I'm sure everyone knows the concept that the soil will provide the water to the plants, which can be our food, the corn, the soybean, right? But do you really know the truth? Does the soil provide all the water it has to the plants? I know this information from one of my agronomy course, which talks about the soils. So today I'm gonna introduce more information about the soil and water. First, we're gonna know what interreactions happen between soil and water, and next we're gonna introduce SMT, which talks about which decide where the water should be stay or to go. And finally, we're gonna answer the previous questions. How much, the exact number will be provided by the soil to the plants. Okay, for the first thing, let's get a close look to the interreactions between soil and water. The soil particles has the adhesion force which get attached to the water around it, based on the paper of George Frame's paper, Understanding the Base Water in the Soil, which published on 2016. The weaker the force will be as the water molecules move far away. Let's assume that our human beings as soil particles. If we need to take care thousands of goods which spread out over the entire football field, obviously we cannot take care of them. We can only keep those around us to be safe, and we do not have enough abilities to keep those be safe which are far away from us. In the same way, the soil particles do not have enough abilities to control where the faraway water molecules goes, right? So next, let's get a close look to SMT, which can be easily understood if we describe it as the force to get the water attached. The power the soil molecules has to get the water attached around it. Assuming that the longer arms we have, the more particles we can keep them in safe to keep them on the football field, right? But only one difference is the SMT number. The bigger the SMT number is, the shorter the soil particles arms are. So let's get a close look to this picture, which I selected from my soils textbook, and the authors are Andrew Manu and George Schaefer, which published in 2013. We only need to know between 1, 2, 3 and 15, this part are the water which will be provided for the plants. We call it available water. And finally, let's answer the previous questions. Does the soil provide all of the water it has to the plants? Obviously, it's not. In general, we divided the soil to two big parts. One is solids, one is porous. The available water and air takes up 1 to 3 of the porous part. And this one is the one we get familiar with and get into the water. So that's the information today I want to share, which we may not know before. So we know the interreactions between soil and water first, and next we know the SMT decides how much water will be stay or to go, and finally we know the exact number. In generally, it's 1 to 3% of the pore space will be given to the plants. Does anyone has any questions? No? Okay, thanks for your attendance. Here are my audience again.